These transitions are so smooth, I can't believe they're not part of LumaFusion already. That's what one tester said after trying the AI Person Key Collection, and that reaction sums up what I felt the first time I tried them too. Let's take a quick look at what that means in practice. Okay, here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, a basic LumaFusion transition, it's okay. And on the right, the same cut with a Manantial V transition applied. The difference is obvious. One looks ordinary, the other instantly feels more polished and professional. If you're used to the standard transitions in LumaFusion, you know they get the job done, but they rarely make your edits stand out. So what if editing your videos could look professional without feeling like work? These transitions will show you how. As someone who's edited nearly every video on this channel with LumaFusion, I know firsthand how important it is for transitions to feel both seamless and easy to use. When Manantial V reached out about these transition packs, I was curious. Could native transitions really make a difference? And after testing them out, I can say the answer is definitely yes. Most LumaFusion users find the stock transitions functional but limited. They're fine for quick edits, but if you want your projects to stand out, you usually have to spend extra time tweaking keyframes or even switching between different apps. After hours of adjusting a simple slide or fade, you might end up rebuilding the effect from scratch just to get something unique. Now the Brilliance bundle changes that. With over 200 native LumaFusion transitions, you get a wide range of polished options that slot right into your workflow. One drag and drop replaces all that time spent on manual adjustments, and you don't need any extra software. What really sets these transitions apart is how they naturally fit into LumaFusion. With a few clicks and copying the transitions into the right folder on your iPad, iPhone, or Mac, this native integration means you can move faster, focus on your creative choices, and avoid the technical headaches that come with custom transitions. The value is also hard to ignore. The Brilliance bundle is currently on sale for $29.99, down from the regular price of $62. And for that, you get a huge library of transitions that actually speed up your workflow and help your edits look more professional. But there's a feature inside this pack that goes beyond just saving time or adding polish. It's something that can fundamentally change the way you approach editing, especially if you want your videos to feel truly professional. Let's get into what makes the AI Person Key Collection a standout feature for editors, just as one example of the many available. This isn't just another set of transitions. It's a tool that uses AI to automatically isolate people from your background in your videos, saving you the hours you'd normally spend keyframing subject isolation frame by frame. Now the result is a transition where the subject and background can move independently, letting you create effects that were previously difficult or really tedious to pull off. Here's how it works. When you want the AI to isolate a person in your first clip, use the Person Key Clip A transition. If the person appears in your second clip, you use the Person Key Clip B. The AI then detects and separates the human figure, it's just human figures for now, making it easy to blend scenes in a way that feels natural and intentional. Now this is especially useful for edits where you want your subject to lead the viewer from one moment to the next, like moving from an interview to a related action shot, or from a host on camera to a B-roll sequence. The effect is smooth and the transition feels like a single continuous experience. And you can also notice how the ambient audio transitions smoothly with the subject too. No audio pops or abrupt cuts. That's the kind of polish that makes these transitions stand out, especially for fast-paced social media content where flow and energy matter. These AI Person Key transitions are versatile, offering wipes, fades, blurs, slides, and zooms, all with variations that control how the subject and background move in relation to each other. Whether you're working on vlogs, travel films, or product showcases, you'll find options that fit your style. Native integration means you just drag and drop between the clips. No extra software, no complicated setup. And with all that in mind, you can see how the AI Person Key Collection isn't just about adding a new effect, it's about working smarter and getting results that look fantastic and sets you apart. So I think for editors looking to upgrade their workflow, the Brilliance bundle stands out as a practical solution. These transitions are going to help you save time and deliver consistent professional results. As one creator put it, my content just kicked up a notch. Whether you're editing for social media, YouTube like me here, or client work, this bundle gives your videos a clean, polished look and really streamlines your process. And I think this bundle pays for itself at $30 in saved editing time and added class. Use the code on screen and in the description to get yourself a discount too. Use my affiliate link and transform your next project in seconds, and I'll see you in the next video.